Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in today's session, we'll discuss about the cloud deployment model. There are four types of deployment model. First one is public cloud deployment model, and second one would be private cloud. Third one is community cloud, and fourth one is hybrid cloud. So we'll discuss one by one each of them. So first we'll discuss public cloud. So what is a public cloud? So there are multiple which is provider of the public cloud, and the definition would be which is easily accessible from everywhere, which is called a public cloud. So it's completely managed by third party, and third party vendor. Third party could be like if you are using a cloud service of the, if you are using Google Drive, let's suppose. So it's managed by Google. If you are using Am Amazon Drive, so it's managed by Amazon. If you are using Microsoft OneDrive, so it's managed by Microsoft. But there are multiple cloud service like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Amazon, Zoho. These are the main service provider of the cloud service provider. So let's suppose I will take three example. Google provide Google Drive, Google Drive, Amazon Drive, Microsoft, Microsoft OneDrive. So these are the publicly available, like Google Drive every can use, Amazon Drive, yeah, Microsoft OneDrive. So everyone can access and they provide some free space to use it. But have you ever noticed if you are working for any enterprise, enterprise don't use this drive to store their sensitive data. Why? Because we don't have any control on this drive and don't know the location. First one is a control. Let's suppose we are storing data here, and where it is stored, we don't have any control on this, and we won't be able to encrypt the data on the drive. What we can do, we can encrypt data and store there, but still it's not secure. So for that, like Google provide enterprise level solution like GCP, GCP object. It's Amazon provide Amazon S3 and Azure Block. Microsoft provide Azure Block. So these are the three. It's a enterprise level solution. So what is the benefit of that enterprise level solution? We get proper control. Let's suppose I will log in. I have already logged in my account on Amazon, and here we can select the. It's I think I have to log in. So we get the control. First I will log in and I will show you. And yeah, so we get the control of the location like now I am using Mumbai. If you want to store data in North Virginia, you can select the location and we get the data will be stored in North Virginia, and every region having their separate availability zone. We can encrypt our data. So multiple benefit we get. Like so, if we'll talk about the major benefit of, we have already discussed about benefits and drawback of the cloud. But I will show you what is the major benefit of the public cloud. Cost, definitely cost would be very less. Scaling, let's suppose massive level of scaling, auto scaling, these are the feature of the cloud. So in further classes we'll discuss in detail, but I will show you. Let's suppose scaling, let's suppose I'm using one uh, storage which having capacity of 1 TB, and we can set the threshold like if it reach to 90%, so automatically it will be increased. If you are using a traditional, yeah, on-prem data, so you have to purchase a store, and there would be lots of complex tasks to perform to increase the storage. But here we are getting uh, means one click we can get the AI, we can set the threshold and we'll get the data would be SQL. Yeah, EG management, we no need to MNA. You need not to. We are only managing operation task. No need to hardware management. It's not the it's a headache of the completely cloud provider. These are the major benefit of the cloud service provider. And if there are some drawback as well, like multi-tenancy. So what is multi-tenancy? Multi-tenancy. So what is the multi-tenancy? Like on same hardware, let's suppose I am XYG on organization and we are taking services of the AWS and my XYG G company, and there is one more company ABC dot ABC. There is some other company, let's suppose any name DFC. So these all are the storing data in same hardware. These are the major drawback of the cloud service. And second one would be like let's suppose we are here selecting North Virginia, yeah, Mumbai, yeah, any other location. But we are believing on the AWS statement. We're not sure where it is they are actually storing. So these are the one more drawback. And second would be yeah, these are the main two means. First one would be multi-tenancy means we are sharing data and we don't know to whom we are sharing with their infra. Uh, so that are the major concerns of the public cloud. And benefit would be cost, scaling, easy management. So cloud is capex to opex means capex mean no need to if we'll talk about capex. So what is capex is capital expenditure, capex to opex. What it means capital expenditure to operational. So here no need to invest on the hardware. Like if we have to increase our resource storage in our organization, we have to invest on our infra storage and this. But here we only operational task, no need to manage hardware. So these are the headache of the cloud provider. And pay as a go model. What is that model? Pay as go. Pay as go. Let's suppose we are utilizing today till today is 1 TB, 1 TB, 1.1 TB. Let's suppose. So we are only paying for this much amount for the 1. Tomorrow let's suppose required 1.2 TB at 2 TB. So from tomorrow will pay for 2 TB. No need to pay for the whole our requirement. So based on that, it's a major benefit. And let's suppose if you are operating into 20 or 12 hours in a day, so we will pay 12 hours only, and it will not charge for the rest 12 hours. So these are the major benefit of the public cloud and the cloud service provider. Second one is a private cloud. So what is a private cloud? So means private cloud is a kind of on-prem. So we are the cloud provider as well, and we are the consumer as well. In both the means, both means same company playing both the roles. Like they are providing service and consuming same. So we have set up our data center. So there is some people understand like it's on-prem devices, but means on-prem data center, traditional data center, but not like that. If you are providing feature of the scaling, yeah, virtualization, yeah, resource pooling, yeah, one device self-services. So it's a private cloud. So from them it's clear that consumer and service provider both are same. Private cloud can be under the ownership of the company or third party provider responsibility both. Can be either on premises, yeah, on premises. Offer maximum security but expensive, yeah. So major benefit we have complete control. We have the since we are the provider only, we know the where it is located, what all are hardware devices we are using, what are security feature are using. So we have complete control and visibility on private cloud, but we don't have any visibility control on the public cloud. With private cloud, we can have maximum control on your cloud infra, which we have discussed. An example of like a private cloud is like Microsoft having their one cloud service, AWS having, Amazon having their own AWS VPC. We can use that. VMware. So such kind of example of the private cloud. Okay. And third one is a hybrid cloud. So what is hybrid cloud? From from its name, it's clear that hybrid means combination of combination of private and public. It what is called a hybrid cloud. So I will give you two example of what is a hybrid. What is first I will tell you what is hybrid cloud and what is the real time use of the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud architecture is the integration of on-prem resources and with cloud services. Let's suppose this is our on-prem data center on-prem, and here is our cloud services, and here we create the tunnel with on-prem to cloud services. So these are the integration of the on-prem to cloud. It's a more scalable, cost-effective, and secure and flexible. Let's suppose we are running on-prem data center. We have on already set up, and suddenly we plan to migrate the some migrate to cloud service as well. In such scenario, what we do, we don't shut down the on-prem and completely move to the cloud. So first, what we some services hosted here on-prem, some services we host here on cloud. So these are the best example of the on-prem. And one more thing we do that like let's suppose we having a budget constraint, yeah, anything, and we are running uh, on-premise data center, and we want to make DC. These are the DC, and want to uh, create for BCP continuity plan. We are hosting DR, so that can be done on the cloud. Cloud infra. So these are the two best example. Let's suppose one more real-time use is first one is like DCDR concept can be done, and second term is let's suppose short-term project we are getting. Till now we have been running and one infra and here 600 server is hosted. And he got any project for 2 months or 3 months where required 1,000 server, yeah, more capacity required. So purchasing thing that could be more costly. So we can take rent on from the cloud and we can integrate the services from on-prem to cloud services. These are the two best example. And yeah, then these are the two best example of the uh, hybrid cloud. It's enable to organize and migrate application and data to cloud. Yeah, extend their data center capacity, utilize new cloud native capability, move application closer to customer, and create backup and disaster recovery. So what we discussed, disaster recovery we can create under cloud infra. AWS storage gateway Snowball. It is the example of the hybrid cloud. Okay. Now we'll discuss about fourth one, which is community cloud. So what is the community cloud? So community means like we are in the business of same types of same we can means combination of let's suppose we are having four banks. They are into bank. They are having same compliance and regulatory. So they rather to go for public cloud. They build their own infra to fulfill their requirements. It's called a community cloud. So first we'll see definition. What is community cloud? Are the recent variation of the private cloud model that provides a complete cloud solution, a specific business community, government department, universities, bank, etc. often find the type of cloud useful. Example AWS government cloud, Microsoft government community cloud. Like let's suppose we having one regulatory authority RBI, and they are running four bank. They are coming under one bank, bank one, bank two, bank three, bank poor. So all having same regulatory and compliance requirement. So and they are not feeling secure to go to the public cloud. So what they will do, they are combinedly build a private kind of private cloud, but combination of four bank they can build their private cloud and store their data. So to for get more security, they do that. So these are the example of the community cloud, government department. Yeah. So these are the all. So hope everyone clear with the deployment model. So what we discussed today, uh, public cloud, private cloud, and there are four types of deployment model: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay. If you find any difficulty, any issue with this, so kindly ping me in comment section. Post a comment. So I will try to resolve your issue. Thank you.